Hi everybody, I just wanted to stop in with a quick little flip through of my new digital kits. It's titled A Dancer's Dream. I am super happy with it. It's romantic, it's soft, it's pretty, has a lot of dancing imagery but not exclusively, so if you're not into dance or people, there are some beautiful florals and fun bits and pieces. So let's take a look at it. There are two kits in this. There's the journal page kit and the ephemera kit. So first up is the journal pages. Everything is layered up, of course, with music and splatters and text and you name it. I've thrown it in and I just love how it turned out. So this really pretty little girl ballerina with a bunch of flowers in her hand and this beautiful spray of blossom behind her. There's two little gorgeous wee girls on the stage, and there's hearts in the background and some music again and a couple of flowers, tall flowers on the side. It's predominantly pink and teal but not exclusively, so this leans more on the apricot-y blush sort of colour palette. So we've got some ballet slippers or shoes, pretty floral element up here, and then it's got text in the background which says ballet is like dreaming on your feet, and then there's some music and some beautiful sort of watercolor swathes through the background. This one has got some hearts in the background. It's got a couple of curtain sort of draping here, some flowers and flowers with ballet slippers. I'm just so happy with this. I'd started ballet when I was 4, so this feels very close to my heart. I haven't done ballet since I was teenager, but I still love it. This beautiful floral page, it's got some stopwatches, some text, handwriting text, fun and some music. Wavy, I've done it on a wave, so it's got some movement to the music there. Was that just one page? Yes, it was. I've got a cut on my thumb, so sometimes it feels like it's more than one page, but it's just the skin. So we've got this lovely lady here with flowers in her hair. There's a decorative floral border, just very subtle in the middle. This beautiful floral mirror and music on both sides. Then we have a stage here with this little stool with some ballet slippers and roses, and a ballerina sitting on the side here, and some stage lights up the top. In this beautiful page, love this page, again with the beautiful blossom in the background, music, this beautiful girl here, and a floral element here, and then some Love's Dreamland is title off one of the music pages I was using, so I just incorporated that on that page as well because I felt it really fit the theme of the kit. Another ballerina page with this beautiful ballerina here. There's a violin up the top and some text. This title here, we have won the, I think it says the title for supremacy in blah blah blah. That was actually off an advertisement for typewriters. But I just liked it there. So fun little details. Then another stage here with just ballet slippers kind of suspended in the middle with our curtains and flowers up the sides. Nice background page, this one, for writing on. Then another floral page with some bows and text and music. Love these soft watercolor blossoms, just super pretty. A writing page here with some roses top and bottom, writing lines on that one, and there's hearts in the background. Just a very useful page for anything really, because there's, if I just flick back for a moment, there's no dancer here. This could be in any botanical, rose, floral, pink or pink and teal journal, or anything really, even vintage. Give it an ink up and it would look super pretty. So we have writing panels here on this one as well with hearts in the background, music, and like sunset clouds in behind that, and a couple of little jewelry boxes down this the bottom. So again, usable for lots of different styles and themes. This is a background page. It's got hearts that are composed of roses, and it's all splotchy and distressed, and I've got 2 of these in the kit. There's this one and this next one, so same design but in different colorways, so hopefully you can pick up. This has got more of the teal, and this has got sort of slightly purple and a little bit of the blue in it, so just a couple of different colorways for that one. Then this cloud background, again just a very useful background page, great for backing onto your main kit pages. It's clouds, it's got some foliage, very subtle foliage in the background as well, overlaid it. And then the final page is this lovely page with this little ballerina and some roses. So that is the journal page kit. There's like 16, 17, I don't know, I've lost count, heaps of pages. Now we're on to the ephemera kit, and there are 16, I think, again I've lost count, pages in the ephemera kit. So you'll see some of the elements that were in the journal pages repeated here, like this mirror and this bouquet of roses I've used in a number of places, and these slippers appeared, but it's not, there are some new stuff here as well. This border was used. So there's that one. This one with this little piano, which is really sweet, just a single ballet slipper here. Beautiful florals, useful anywhere if you're a floral person. There's heaps of florals. Oops, this one's upside down, so we'll flick that around. We've got these 2 lovely dancers here in a couple of different sizes. We've got this fun little camera, some single high heel shoes, bows, and more roses. Very, very pretty, very feminine, this kit, totally. This lovely corset here, which I think is super pretty. More high heel shoes in a different style. Just a vase of roses, a little envelope with flowers, some butterflies. So if you're into butterflies, we've got you covered there too. Just a couple, and a couple of designs in 2 different sizes. And then this bouquet with the brown paper wrapped around it. And we've got some journal cards. So there's 2 pages of journal cards, and the second one's upside down. I let my husband look through them, and obviously they've got a little bit turned topsy-turvy. That one's upside down as well, so switch those around. So this page here, we've got that stool with the ballet slippers and the roses. This one with this beautiful dress. This lovely huge big rose held in hands, which I think is really lovely, and a violin. It's the first page of journal cards, and they are portrait oriented, so this way. The second page is landscape, this way. So I've got this winged heart, apart from this one's portrait again. A metronome, this little ballerina girl, and then this beautiful ballerina there. And we have a page of mini tags. So these cute little mini tags, some of them I've left fairly neutral, so you can decorate them up. Or you can, like this one with the ballerina down, you could just use it as is. Or you could dress it up a bit, add a word or something. Then there's these fun scalloped wee tags, just for something a little different. Again, a mixture of ones with features on and ones that you can dress up. And then we've got just some faux buttons for fun that you can cut out. If you don't have real buttons, faux buttons are a good option. There's 3 pages of text, so the same text on each of the 3 pages, but in 3 different colours. So this is the pink page. We have some fun banners, and there's 3 banners without words. There's 3 banners with words, and then we have some smaller banners with words, and then just some like coloured, I don't know, what do you call them? Coloured bits with words. Bits, is that very explanatory? No, but you can see. So that's the pink page. Then we have it in kind of a greeny colour, greeny teal, and then we have it more in a vintage vibe with the sepia tones, which will be usable with anything. So there are a lot of dance related words, but not exclusively. So like there's things like hard work, elegance, grace, athletic, you know, that could be used for other things. Classic, timeless, storytelling, glamour. And glamour I've put in both spellings, so with the U and without the U, so it doesn't matter where in the world you are, their spelling will suit you. And then lots of ballet related words like performance, on point, pirouette, if I can pronounce that properly, arabesque, ballet slippers, tutu, you know, those sorts of things. Then we have an envelope here, just very usable for lots of different themes again. Just got hearts and roses in the pink and teal. We've got a page of faux washi, so there's this bottom section which is just strips of decorative patterns and colours, and the top section here has got words, so each strip has words. So on this top one is ballet, just repeated across the faux washi. This one says dancing. This one is a phrase, love to move, got to groove, which I think is kind of fun. This one is rhythm and soul. And then this bottom one here is a list of different ballet moves, like grand jeté, plie, etc. Next page is tea cards, faux tea cards. So we've got two sizes in the cards, this size and then the smaller size, and a couple of just random words, decorative words, because I had a gap, and so, you know, I want to fill it. So a couple of words appearing there. We have a page of larger tags, so not huge, but this is the largest size that I've included in the kit, and then a row of words down the bottom. And then the next page is all those tags in 3 different sizes, so this size, and then the smaller size, and a slightly different color to the, if you can see this, so particularly this one here, different color. This one you might be able to tell there's a bit of difference. This one, yeah, so I went with a different color between these largest ones and these ones, so same designs but just slightly different alteration on the color. And some words in there, take flight and poetry in motion. Okay, so that is the ephemera kit. 2 kits are available on my Etsy right now. So I will link those in the description box. Now, besides that, whenever I release a digital kit, I also do a number of freebies, and they are dotted around various places. If you care to go and grab them from each place, you are most welcome to. If you only want some of them, not all of them, you know, you pick and choose. Entirely up to you. Free, no cost at all. Even the ones on Buy Me a Coffee, which aren't actually there as of today that I'm releasing this. They're not up yet, but they will be sometime in the next couple of weeks because I've still got some work to do. But these are the freebies that are currently available. So I've got 2 more freebies, 2 sets of freebies to do. But these are the freebies available. So on Patreon, Patreon has released a new function where you can follow somebody for free. So you don't get access to the exclusive content, but you get to see and follow along and get to know what's happening with that creator if you're interested. And I release freebies once a month for those people who follow me on Patreon. So this month, for March, is a couple of background pages. This is some of the blossoms that appeared in the main kit, and I've just kind of like collaged them, I guess. Got some text and some music and some fun scratches and layers happening there, and I've done that in 2 different colors. Oh, there we go. So there's the 2 different colors, if you can see those. So that is the freebie available on my Patreon. Newsletter. My newsletter is not out yet. It will be sent in the next few days. So if you're interested in subscribing to my newsletter, again, the link's in the description box. And this is the freebie for March that will be going out with it. So this page of Fussy Cuts. Love this little corset dress here. More ballet slippers, more ballerinas, and some little hand mirrors, and the jewelry box. I was like, what is it? I wanted to call it a music box. It's a jewelry box. So there's that page. And the second page in the newsletter freebie is this one with an oval journal card and matching pocket. A piece here that could be a belly band or a side pocket or a tuck, or just to decorate something up with it, however you want to use it, featuring these beautiful white flowers. And then some little faux tickets in 2 different sizes. So that's the 2 freebies that are going with my newsletter this month. And then I thought I'd just show you also on my paid page, for my paid patrons, they are getting the ephemera kit this month as their printables, and in addition to that, they're also getting this 2-page set of page numbers. So using this little corset dress done at a different colour, it's 1 to 31 for the days of the month, and the second page there so ends on 31, and then we've got March 2024, then Monday through to Sunday, and then we've got some extras with some words sort of curved around the bottom of the dress. So that's the freebie that that my paid up patrons will be receiving, as well as the ephemera kit, the entire ephemera kit for A Dancer's Dream. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these papers. I would really love it if you hopped on along to Etsy if this is something that you think you might use and that you like. Would really appreciate it. Put a lot of love and me into this kit, and I just adore it. I hope somebody out there does too. Thanks for taking a peek. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.